Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sesame seeds. To begin, ensure your sesame seeds are raw and unhulled or hulled, depending on your preference. Cooking them properly will transform their subtle flavor into a wonderfully nutty and aromatic addition to your meals. We'll explore two simple yet effective methods: dry roasting and pan frying, each offering unique benefits for different culinary applications. Dry roasting is a fantastic way to intensify the natural flavor of sesame seeds. Simply place your seeds in a dry, heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-low heat. Stir them continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice them turning a beautiful golden brown and releasing a fragrant, nutty aroma. Once they reach this stage, immediately remove them from the heat and transfer them to a cool plate to stop the cooking process. For a slightly different texture and a richer flavor, consider pan-frying your sesame seeds with a touch of oil. Heat about 1 teaspoon of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a pan over medium heat. Add your sesame seeds and stir them frequently for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. They will become lightly golden and incredibly fragrant. This method can add a lovely crispness, perfect for garnishes. Once your sesame seeds are perfectly cooked, the culinary possibilities are endless. They make a delightful garnish for everything from fresh salads and savory stir-fries to sweet baked goods. You can also grind them into a paste to create homemade tahini or incorporate them into flavorful dressings and marinades. For optimal freshness, store your cooked sesame seeds in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.